Greetings. This is part 15, I believe. It's June 17th, 2021, Thursday evening here. Well, I began mosaic tile making. I decided to do it entirely in blue, like blue sky, similar to the very first mosaic drawing combo of the Under the Wings art series, titled Young Man with Star of David Arlington in the Warsaw Ghetto. I only had one small tile, which I broke apart, and I also broke some pieces of like blue glass, which put in 3 of the corners. I've got the drawings covered with plastic just to keep them. Don't want to have any construction adhesive landing on them. All right, to be continued, I have to get a box of tiles. And then I cut them up in this plastic gizmo that was being, I don't know what it was originally for, maybe a display for something, but it was being thrown out on the Pike Market. And when I lived there, and it actually works great for tile cutting, keep tiles from flying all over the place. All right. I also wear protective goggles, of course, and I don't want to have the the Akavaccio Seattle Parakeet Hotel guests, hit by any flying chips. So that works well, and I have it far from the hotel. All right, there you have it.